It's been over 300 days since I simply did a retwist. That's a long time. Of course, I've done multiple hairstyles along the way, but this just hits different. A retwist, an update, cutting my hair. Wait, what? And I got some big news in this video, so make sure to watch the whole thing. Thank you. But let's begin. I've needed a retwist. I'm not sure how long it's been. Let me show you what my hair looks like right now. So look how frizzy my hair is. Honestly, I'm gonna be real honest with you. It might be a little dirty. We're just gonna dampen it and then get a retwist going. Honestly, it's not bad though. The good thing I like about my hair right now is that my hair is actually becoming more and more mature. I don't have to maintain it as much because it's becoming more and more mature. I think after we finish this retwist and then let it sit in, it's going to make my hair even more mature. So let's get into the products I'm gonna be using. The number one product I'm gonna be using is the Dreadlocks locking gel. It's the number one locking gel out there on the market. It is a maximum hold. Beautiful thing about it is it's a completely vegan product. All the ingredients are right down there. All the products I'm using are gonna be linked down below. Next product, duck lip. This one's kind of bent, but this is what we're using. Great water. Coming soon. This is also extremely important. You always want to comb it out, the roots. This makes sure that your hair becomes elongated as you're retwisting them. Let's begin. It's so cool to have a full head of dreads compared to my first set of locks with a high top fade. It's just completely different. And of course, there's the downside to it. With having so many locks, you have to maintain all those locks. I think a year from now, it's gonna be different. I have countless videos of me doing a tutorial on a retwist. I'll link one of those down below on how to twist your hair, especially using the locking gel, just because it's a little bit different. You don't have to use as much product. You can make it stretch for a longer period of time. I think you can stretch it at least 25% more than, you know, other locking gels, just because you only have to use a little bit. It's a pretty cool hairstyle, guys. What do you think? Yo, comment down below who's your favorite dreadlock YouTuber besides me. I know I'm your favorite, but like, who's second favorite? I'm gonna tell you guys mine, but I'll give you guys a little bit of time before you comment down below. I'm gonna tell you my favorite dreadlock YouTuber right now. Well, besides Activerse, alright, he's a given. I'm gonna do top three. Alright, I'm doing my top three. Number three, I think Chris McDread. He's just super good at what he does, especially he's a loctician, which he's really good at that. I have so much respect for people that are locticians and that do it the right way. Number two, Activerse. I'm adding him in there as number two, even though he's top, he's up there. I'll tell you my favorite right now is Vinny Matthews. I'm giving a huge shout out. So if you guys don't know Vinny Matthews, I think you guys gotta show him some love. He reminds me a lot of when I started my channel a long time ago. That's my top three, guys. Comment down your top three. I feel like I'm in this stage right now to where I don't have to focus completely on my dreadlocks. And of course, I'm not always focused completely on my locks, but my locks are locking on their own and they stay within their sections very well. Of course, there's like a little bit of hair that goes into other dreadlocks, but it's really not bad. And overall, it just is like I'm just having a fun time with my hair. And one thing I'm really excited for is to be able to start swimming. The pool is just about ready. With swimming, with the chlorine and all the chemicals, it allows the hair to lock up tighter because it's essentially cleaning your hair. Because with chlorine cleans the water, which that makes the water almost like a cleaning agent, I guess you could say. And it'll clean your hair and make your hair even tighter. So looking forward to that, because the more you swim, the tighter your locks will become. But we're gonna get through this retwist. I've never done a retwist without doing a hairstyle afterwards, so this is just strictly a retwist. I really think after this retwist, once it's done and I wash out the product, my hair is gonna be, I would like to say 90% fully mature, but at the same time, it's most likely not gonna be like that. It's probably gonna be like 70% realistically, and I think a year from now, it'll be like 90, 100%. That's definitely a process. Now, obviously my hair doesn't look extremely proper right now, but I'm gonna be doing a nice lineup and a nice fade. It's gonna look really clean. I'm really excited for this whole transformation. It's been, I believe, over a month since my last retwist. I think we're about halfway done with the retwist. You guys see some sections back there? Ooh-wee. Just finished doing all of the hair. I'm gonna take out all the clips tonight and I'm gonna put a do-rag on. Tomorrow morning, I'll take a do-rag off and then I'll show you guys what my hair looks like after I have removed the do-rag. All right, so you guys can see that separation just looks so perfect, guys. I'm really excited to do a lineup in the fade. So I'm just gonna take out these clips. Once the clips are out, throw on a do-rag, go to bed. All right, it's morning time. Got up, took a shower, and showered with my do-rag on. I got the pink Scully on, okay? I'm not sure how my hair is gonna look, but I know it's gonna look clean, all right? So it's moment for the big reveal. I took out all the clips last night before I put the do-rag on. I'm just not with sleeping uncomfortably, man. I cherish sleep way too much to just allow, you know, just to be uncomfortable at night. Even just having braids is a lot. But here we go. Hopefully I don't have any do-rag lines. But moment for the reveal. All right, here we go. Dang, that's pretty sharp. Looks pretty clean. I'm gonna shake it a little bit. Dang, that feels good. And the reason it feels good is because all my sections are very distinct. Like I can feel all my sections versus just seeing them. So I'm feeling pretty solid. I'm just going to kind of just brush my hairline, but I figured I'd show you guys close up of what everything's looking like. Don't worry, at the end of the video, I'm gonna show you guys 360 close-ups. All right guys, let's get into the haircut. I'm gonna shave my face first and then I'm gonna get into the fade. I'm doing my fade a little bit different today, so I'm actually really excited about that. So in today's video, I'm going to be using this to cut my hair, which is the Laurel clippers, and then I'm gonna be shaving my face with this, which Laurel actually sent me out this as well. I'm gonna use this crochet hook to cut through this really quick. Ooh, that's a nice case. Comes like a battery. It's battery operated, and woo! Comes with a nose trimmer. I don't like trimming my nose, but I do shave my face at least twice a week. Let's take a look at this. It has this nice little cover on it. Hey, and it has power. I've literally never shaved my face with one of these. Oh, you slide it down? Oh, boom! Whoa! So that's for like lineups. Cool. This is rechargeable, so that's perfect. So you can definitely tell how much facial hair I grow. This is typically how much I grow on a weekly basis. It's not a whole lot, but I don't want to leave all this. The reason I have a clean shaved face is because a lot of people that I look up to have a clean shaved face. I want to be like them, all right? Another reason is that I look back at, you know, the 90s and the 80s, and a lot of people wore the shaved face, and even before that, just they had a clean look. So I'm gonna try to shave half my face. Bro, this thing works so good. Look at that. I don't feel any tugging as well. Bro, but look at those results. Oh my gosh. Take a clean shave too. I want to show you guys what the final look looks like after I finish cleaning myself up. I'm like 1 week away from taco meat, so let me just finish. All right guys, I'm feeling so fresh and so clean, okay? Look at the fade. I tried something new. It was actually kind of tough for me to cut my hair today for some reason. It just felt a little off because I was just trying to do a different type of taper fade versus like, typically I'll do like a little tiny burst taper fade, and then obviously I'll do like the full lineup, but this time that part that I do the lineup right here, like the little circle part or the round part, it's all just faded. So it's something new. I don't think I've ever done this on myself with dreadlocks, I don't think, but I think it looks pretty sharp. Lineup is crispy. The trick to a sharp lineup, I think, is to have short hair up on the front. So I cut that down to about a, I cut it down to a 2 closed. I'll show you guys what my hair looks like down. I've been wearing it up, but I've been trying to keep it in so that, or trying to keep it pulled back and up and things like that, so that the all the twists will stay in for the time being. They've stayed in pretty well. And my hair is at the point now to where when I pull it up, it doesn't stay in its position just because it's heavy, and they're more mature. So it's nice to have that, because typically when I pull my hair up, it would like take, you know, me washing my hair for it to lay back down normally. But hair's looking solid, y'all. Look at that. Sheesh. Look at this. That's clean right there. Clean little fade, nice little lineup. It was really quick. I did it maybe like 30 minutes. Well, and then the retwist obviously took like a couple hours because my hair is long and I have a lot of dreadlocks. Man, we're on the journey, man. We're almost to full maturity, which is extremely nice. And my hair just keeps getting longer and longer. People always say, man, your hair grows so fast. And I'm telling you, just take care of your hair by not putting a whole lot of products in. There's a lot of things you could do. Like, don't put a whole lot of products in, okay? Like, you can use the right tools, but eliminate putting like additional products in that you don't necessarily need. And that's what I do. Like, I don't put any oils in my hair. I don't put conditioner in my hair. And right now I'm just pulling my hair up. It's still kind of a mission. It's way different than pulling up your hair if you don't have a full head of dreads. But man, look at that. Sheesh. Dang, bro. Dang. Look. Don't mind my little glasses marks. I have my glasses off because if I put them on, boom, you're going to see this ring light. Oh, it's actually not that bad. Man, I don't know. There's really nothing else to say. If you want products like the crochet hook or the interlock tool or even locking gel to make your dreadlocks, click the link down below to go to greatlocks.com to pick out the products that you need for your dreadlocks.